We'll now see how easy it is to create pages with the Thrive Content Builder. There are so many possible designs you can use for your pages, and we'll be seeing one way of designing a page in this video. To start with, you would want to click on this menu item here, Thrive Landing Pages. This will let you choose a pre-designed landing page design. Click on Choose Landing Page. There are several designs here that you could choose from. Once you're comfortable with the plugin, you'll be able to modify any of these designs or create custom landing pages of your own. But right now, let's choose this one, Blank Page. Scroll down and click on Load Landing Page. Now, the landing page has been loaded. We do not want this to be appearing here, Thrive Themes, so let's delete it. You can use the title for the H1 tag, but this will probably be too long. So we'll choose this for our H1, Best Twin Mattress for Adults. You will want to capitalize the heading. We now need to add text from this notepad file to this page. To do that, we need to add a text element to the page first. All you need to do is drag a text element from this panel and drop it here. To add text to this element, you will need to copy a paragraph from the notepad file and then paste it here. You would not want to copy several paragraphs at once. That will make the text lose all of the line breaks. For instance, if you try to add these two paragraphs at once into this text element, the text will lose the line breaks. You can do it this way, but then you will need to recreate all of the line breaks. Instead, you would want to add paragraphs individually to each text element, one paragraph per text element. We now have to add the main content, the content for the focus keyword. To do that, let's use a container box. To add one, scroll down to the list of multi-style elements and click on this arrow next to content box and choose Style 1 with headline. You can modify the color of the box and other parameters fairly easily, but let's not get into that stuff now. The tutorials in Thrive members area explain all of that in good detail. We'll now add a text element to this content box by clicking on this green button here. You can get an element to replicate, and by clicking on this red button here, you can delete an element. Let's modify this heading. That's a reminder to save the changes. We now need to add this list. Let's do that now. Let's choose this style list multi-style element and drop it here. By default, this has only 2 items, but we need to add 3 items. This is how we can do it. We'll need to reduce the margins between these bullet points. This one is a subheading. I'll change this from paragraph to heading 3. I'll center it. You can change the color of this text if you want, but we are not worried about that right now. Let me pause the video for a couple of minutes while I copy the main content onto the page. Now, the main content has been added, and this is what the page looks like right now. We now need to add all of these secondary keyword phrases in. Let's put each of these secondary keywords in a separate content box of their own. Let me pause the video for a few minutes while I add rest of the content. All of the content has been added right now, and this is what the page looks like. In the next few videos, we will see how to add images to this page.